Hello YouTube, it's Topics, and today's Topics is about strange sounds. Alright guys, I'll be, hearing these sounds coming out from YouTube's, these viral videos going out really fast, and I just want to make a video on my input of how I feel about these videos and, if they're fake or not. What I believe is that these videos are either fake or real. You gotta take it or leave it. It's either or neither, whatever. But all I'm saying is that people are saying they're from this movie, these two movies, War of the Worlds and Red State. I just want to say, not everybody in the damn world watches that movie. Come on now. Yeah, and they're bashing it because, you're taking this video on top of a roof or whatnot, where you at, and they're saying because nobody's turning around, not hearing them sound where the directions are coming from. But you got to understand that if you're out in the streets, in the city, there's traffic, there's congestions, there's all kinds of noises out there that will, interrupt and disturb your hearing of, I guess, that strange sound that's coming from the sky. And some people are making videos, that they heard it, they seen it, their dogs bark to it. I mean, how real can that be? If your dog barking, obviously he's hearing something. What are you saying, he's deaf too, or what? I mean, so the dog's fake, or what? I mean, come on now. Some videos are fake, some are real. I mean, I gotta put it like that. You gotta just be open-minded about it, and there's things that's real, there's not things that's fake. I for myself witnessed it. That shit crazy, but yeah, I heard it last year at my dad's house. I was wondering what it was. That's why I made this video today, just to put my input on it and how I felt and why everybody's posting videos around the whole world about these strange sounds. And it just got me thinking, like, you know what, I better put one up too, and how I feel about it. I'm not gonna fake. If I seen something real or heard something, I'm gonna let you know. Isn't that how things go? If you witnessed it, come on. If I witness a ghost, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna fake about that too. Come on now. We gotta have some common sense in that. I mean, if you heard it, then you heard it. I mean, and if you heard it and you captured it on video,